Hi, it's Yuri Ching, GTA Realtor. What's really happening in the GTA real estate market? The Greater Toronto housing market is in transition, not crashing but clearly cooling. Sales are picking up, reaching their highest levels in months, but prices remain about 5% lower than last year. Meanwhile, inventory keeps building, giving buyers more options and stronger negotiating power. Detached homes are showing early signs of recovery, while condos are under pressure with rising supply and softer demand. For condo sellers, this could actually be the ideal moment to make your move. Even if you're not making huge profit, larger freehold homes have become more affordable, narrowing the gap, meaning you can upgrade to a bigger property with less than it would have cost you a few years ago. For sellers overall, this market rewards preparation. Homes that are priced right, staged well, and marketed professionally are still selling quickly and at strong values, especially in sought after neighborhoods. The bottom line, the GTA market is rebalancing. Whether you're buying, selling, or trading up, timing and strategy matter more than ever right now. If you want to sell fast for top dollar and buy with confidence, please reach out. I'd be happy to assist you.